Okay, so here we are. We're digging the field for this year for replant for next season. There's Jose. Jose and I walk behind the shaker. Armando's up on the tractor. We're digging. These are my introductions for this year. You can see the shaker works really well. I think it's just between us that's being dug right now. You can see the plants look really good. We're digging what we need for replant for next year. Jose and I walk behind to make sure that the varieties don't get mixed up. We stop and we pull the varieties off here, and the bags for the next variety are right there. We'll put them in the ground and continue on. You can see we've done 2 rows already. We're just getting started. We've got the varieties trayed up that we're keeping here, many of each variety. And swing the tractor. Sorry about the moving too fast. Anyways, you can see how the process goes. And then there's the scrappy pieces that are left that we don't keep. We put in the Kubota and we haul them away. And then on this side over here are the varieties that are planted already that are in place for next year's introductions.